Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. We're seeing continued buying in the U.S. dollar, and that has sent pairs like the euro versus U.S. dollar and the sterling versus U.S. dollar to new session lows. Let's take a look at the technicals now as that trend continues in trading here today. Looking at the euro versus U.S. dollar, I earmarked the 38.2% retracement of the move up from this low to this high right here, and the swing area down to 1.0608 as a level that would be of significance, a significant barometer for the euro versus U.S. dollar after the sharp move down in the European session today. If we got below that level, then we look toward this 100-hour moving average of 50% retracement of the same move to the upside. Indeed, the price came down toward and sniffed that 105.94 level, that 50% midpoint, and we've since seen a rotation back to the upside that saw the high price stall on the current hourly bar, if you look really closely, right near the 1.0616 level. So we broke through support, came down to another target on the downside, 50% 100-hour moving average, now moving back up to that broken support area, which now becomes resistance. So the battle is on between these two levels, 100 and the 106.16 level. If the price moves back above the 16 level, could see some further upside momentum. If the price moves below the 100-hour moving average and the 50% retracement level, we can see further selling pressure with the 200-hour moving average and the 61.8% retracement. Nice dual level of support at 105.706. But what we're noticing here in the euro versus U.S. dollar, sharp move to the upside, sharp move to the downside. The market's not sure where it wants to go, so it returns back to the neutral type area. Let's take a look at the sterling versus U.S. dollar next, and I'm going to put this on the hourly chart. Why? Because the pair is also testing a key moving average levels, including the 200-hour moving average, that's the green line in this chart, and the 100-hour moving average, that's the blue line in this chart. They come in at 1.21769 and 1.21679. If a break below those levels would increase the bearish bias for this pair. We do have this swing area down at 121.57 to 67. If I were to go now to the 4-hour chart and take a look at that area over time, you can see it had more importance over here where it was a support and then it became a resistance and it became a support and then it became a resistance through here. Then it became a support again and up and down and support. Last week, trading, it sort of made a mess of the whole thing as the market started to consolidate around the 100-bar moving average above and below that level. But now we're back down to that area and looking to hold support. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. Again, it also corresponds with the 100 and 200-hour moving averages on the hourly chart right through here. So support area right through here. If we get below the 21.57 level, we could expect further selling pressure. If we this area might also act as a level to lean against with a stop below the 57 level. Time will tell, but like the euro versus U.S. dollar, sharp move to the upside, sharp move to the downside. The market's unsure which way it wants to go. My name is Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.